So this is going to be a short tutorial about how to create our Greek face, but with NURBS, not with polymodeling. And the reason why we're going to do it with NURBS is because we can start with curves, which allow us to do a much more precise curved surface. Okay, so let's start with our curve. I have in my curved surface shelf, I have this arch and the EP curve, but I'm just going to take my curve menu out. Okay, so I have my CV curve, my EP curve, and I have my Bezier curve. And so I'm going to start with my EP curve. Okay, I'm just going to click here. Okay, and you see that I more or less put the points in the grid. Okay, and here in the visibility, I'm going to put the display CV. And so later on, when I select my CV, which is my control vertex, you see how far they are. Okay, whether if I create a CV curve, so a control vertex curve, then I start already on the control vertex. Okay, so you see that the curve has a completely different shape, and it also has a tessellation that is less soft than the EP curve, but you can improve that later on. Okay, and then I have my Bezier curve, and I can do it with handles, and so I would do it very different, more like putting the handles in the middle. Okay, but you're going to see that once I select the CV of this, they are actually handled now. It behaves completely different. Okay, I can edit it. But the biggest problem with the Bezier curve is that they are not NURBS curves. So in this case, we're not going to use them because they are not useful for us. Okay, so you can create a lot of things with the Bezier curve, and they are probably more useful when you work with polygons. Okay, but in this case, we are just going to skip them.